Hello students, I am Dr. Sushant Verma and I am here to talk about our PSIR Enrichment Course 2024. As all of you are aware that Political Science and International Relations PSIR is one of the most sought after optional in UPSC main examination with a relatively higher success rate. But at the same time, students also face many difficulties in getting good marks. And our enrichment program is to help students precisely in this regard. Now, our interaction with the students, we have come to know that students face many difficulties like lack of conceptual clarity, inability to develop theoretical interlinkages, as well as they are short of material on dynamic topics. And one important problem which we have seen among the students, especially those who have taken it from outside, coaching from outside, is that they are not confident about answer writing practice. And this explains the gap between the marks which they get and the marks which they expect. Because primarily they are unable to write a good quality answer and they have not been able to address the demand of the question. Unless you address the demand of the question and write an enriched answer, obviously you will not be getting marks in UPSC. And then they are caught in a vicious cycle of writing mains, multiple mains, but unable to score more than average marks, 230 to 40 marks. So our enrichment program is precisely to help students develop their answer, their understanding qualitatively. And if I talk about the key features of our enrichment program, the first key feature of our enrichment program is we are going to provide our students with the enriched content. And this enriched content, it includes all sections of paper 1 as well as paper 2, including the dynamic sections, especially of Indian foreign policy, that is paper 2, and Indian government and politics, that is paper 1. And with this quality material, the students will be able to understand the dynamic topics, the nuances, the various dimensions of dynamic topics in a better way. Now, this class enrichment program will include 14 enrichment classes. And in these 14 enrichment classes, our focus will be in helping students develop crystal clear conceptual clarity. They will also be able to develop a very important aspect, which is the reason why students are not able to get good marks, is theoretical understanding of the concepts as well as interlinkages. For example, if I tell you, paper 1 and paper 2 both contain the topic human rights. So while developing human rights, you have to go into theoretical aspects of human rights as well as concepts like humanitarian intervention. That's what we will be discussing in detail. So help students develop theoretical interlinkages. And all this will be done in 14 enrichment classes, 7 for paper 1 and 7 for paper 2. And a key feature of our program is helping students develop the skill of answer writing. As all of us are aware that optional plays a very crucial part in your selection, and to get 280 plus marks in optional, you need to write a good quality answer. And students, we are focusing on answer writing, where we will be taking 16 tests. Out of 16 tests, as you can see, 14 will be sectional tests. And these sectional tests will be spanning different topics of paper 1 as well as paper 2. And after each sectional test, there will be detailed discussion of the answer writing, and we will also provide model answers to the students. At the end of the course, we will be conducting 2 full-length tests and all these tests, sectional test and full-length test, will be strictly as per UPSC standard. So prima facie, the target is to help students develop the good understanding of the subject and reproduce it in your answers while addressing the demand of the question. And one thing which has come to our notice is students, they seek personal mentorship, and personal mentorship not from other mentors but from the faculty. Obviously, faculty will be providing a better quality mentorship, it goes without saying, and that is where we are ready to help our students, go extra mile to help our students. There will be personal mentorship, one-to-one mentorship directly with the faculty. We will be sharing our Telegram ID also, and students can any time, both offline and online, they can fix meeting with us, where we will be able to help students in specific problems which they might be facing. For example, with respect to grasping of the concept, for example, with respect to interlinking different aspects of the syllabus, with respect to writing conclusion, with respect to reproducing good quality answers, or with respect to any other matter. We are here to help our students in that regard. So this PSIR enrichment program is done precisely to help students enrich their preparation, make it a strategic preparation, and be confident when they appear for the mains examination 2025. Moreover, as all of you are aware, that UPSC has reduced the gap between prelims and mains. And with this reduced gap between prelims and mains, you have to be absolutely thorough with your optional preparation. And our enrichment program is going to help students precisely in this regard. So basically, this enrichment program, I will say, will be one-stop solution to take care of all the worries of the students and to make them confident to appear this examination and ace this examination. I'm sure if you join our enrichment program, you will be prepared in such a way that you will come out with flying colors in optional paper. Thank you.